done, and this is our final piece. Look at how cool our guy is gonna look. But now we get to add this fist, and it's gonna look like it's coming out of the wall. And this guy actually illuminates green. Yes. Done. Let's pull everything off. We'll put the fist on these special mounting screws that I attached inside here. I mean, look at how cool that looks.
Awesome.
It really, now the paint is wet, our cleanup paint, to make sure everything is good, but we can still
it's gonna look so 3D.
This guy off.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, look at how good our lines turned out.
Incredible.
So now we have this piece on here to protect it, as you can see, because I wanted to paint up all of that cleanup. All right. I'm trying to get a peek back there.
Yeah.
I don't want to peel off any of that paint.
It looks so cool.
Okay.
Okay.
The hard part was getting that plank lined up in here. We just drywall screwed into it.
How'd you get that in there?
So that this could be mounted in there. And that's why this guy is stuck in the wall.
Okay.
And then I had to chip away at all of these. But it is done now.
Looks so perfect.
Ready?
Yes.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. The Incredible Hulk smashing through our wall. This is a perfect way to fix a hole. Bam!
Whoa! That looks awesome. Oh my gosh.